Good morning, children. Now let's recapitulate. We have already studied about mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus, and lysosomes. Right? We'll be studying about the other organelles now. Today we'll be discussing about vacuoles. Now, vacuoles are organelles which are mainly present in the plant cell. Okay, it's a membrane-bound sac within the cytoplasm and has different functions. The main function of vacuole is to store food. Okay, and also helps in waste disposal, protection, and growth. In animal cell, the vacuoles are present as food vacuoles in the amoeba and also as contractile vacuole to remove the extra water, termed as osmoregulation. Next, we have the centrosomes with centrioles. Now here you can see centrosome is the structure which contains the centrioles. Centrosomes are organelles which serve as the main microtubule organizing center for animal cell, and they contain two centrioles. This is very much involved in the process of cell division. It's found only in the animal cell, not in the plant cell. Now here's a few questions. It's quiz time. So let's see whether you remember which organelle is termed as the suicidal bags. Yes, it is the the lysosomes, which is the kitchen of the plant cell. That's the chloroplast. The protein factory, which is the ribosomes, and the powerhouse, that is mitochondria. Okay. Now let's check how the plant and animal cells are different. In case of plant cell, as we discussed, cell wall is also present apart from the cell membrane, whereas animals do not have a cell wall outside the cell membrane. Vacuoles, as we discussed, is very large in case of a plant cell. It is centrally placed, whereas in an animal cell, it could be either absent or it is very small and inconspicuous. In plant cell, chloroplast and all plastids are present, whereas animal cells do not have plastids. Same way, we have centrosome, which is absent in plant cell, but it is present in the animal cell. Golgi apparatus again is not formed properly in plant cell. It is in the form of dictyosomes, whereas in the animal cell they are well formed. This is the figure of the animal cell, children, which you will be drawing when we ask you to do it. It contains all the different cells, but certain structures are not there, as we have discussed earlier. Okay. So now this is the plant cell, children, where you see that the cell wall is very prominent. Even the vacuole forms a central position. Nucleus is shifted to the side. So this shows that it's a plant cell. You see in the vacuole you have raphyte crystals and Bruce crystal and all these waste materials accumulated. We find the plastids which are not there in the animal cell. And we also see that the centriole and centrosome are not present here. Okay, which shows that it is a plant cell. With this, we'll be concluding today, and we'll be continuing with other part of the chapter in the next class. Thank you.